Hey guys, welcome to my Curseforge tutorial. Today I am gonna be showing you how to import a world. Let's see. So what you're gonna want to do is open folder, then you're gonna want to drag big instances right here, hold down, click, put it right in between there, and now you're gonna want to go in here, grab this, you're gonna want to drag it into your folder of choice, then downloads, then instances, let's see, then you're gonna want to go to the pack you want, which in this case I'm gonna choose Big Tree to the Reckoning. Then you're gonna wanna go drag saves right there. Then you're gonna wanna where is it? Sorry, I seem to have lost. No matter. Did I even? Alright, so we're gonna wanna try that again. Put it in downloads now. What? Sorry, technical difficulties. Here we are. What? Show all 44. Now you're just gonna wanna drag this. Oh crap! Drag this right here. Put it in saves, and there you go. And if you don't want anything to be deleted, then you just you gotta make sure you got the same mods. Anyways.